Welcome back to the Arnott install series. I'm Marvin, and today we're replacing the front air strut on this SUV using Arnott part number AS-4411. This Arnott air strut is designed specifically for the Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC GMT1xx platform. What do we have going on today, Eddie?
Today we have the passenger front side install, and the vehicle is already safely on the rack.
Perfect. Eddie will handle the install on the vehicle, and I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly what's happening and why. Let's get started. Before working on any air suspension system, verify the pressure has been safely relieved and disconnect power to the air suspension system prior to disassembly. Do not allow dirt or grease to enter the system. Lift and support the vehicle at the correct jacking points. Make sure it's stable and always wear standard hand, ear, and eye protection. First, make sure to deflate and disable the air suspension system according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, carefully disconnect the air fitting from the strut. Then, disconnect the electrical connector from the strut. Now it's time to remove the front wheel. Once the wheel has been removed, it's time to disconnect the brake line bracket from the upper control arm. Then, disconnect the ABS line from its brackets. Move both the brake line and the ABS line out of the way to avoid damage. Next, use an appropriate jack for support and disconnect the upper control arm from the knuckle. Disconnect the sway bar link at the lower control arm. Now, remove the two lower strut bolts. Next, move the plastic bracket from the top of the strut tower to gain access to the top mount nuts. Remove the three top nuts. Hold on to the strut to keep it from falling. Carefully remove the strut from the vehicle. The removal is now complete, and it's time to install your new Arnott strut. As we begin the installation process, remember to tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Position the new Arnott strut into the vehicle. Loosely thread on two of the three included top nuts to support the strut, but do not tighten yet. Install the two included lower strut bolts and nuts. Reconnect the sway bar link at the lower control arm. Reconnect the upper control arm to the knuckle. Install the ABS line back into its brackets and reinstall the brake line bracket to the upper control arm. Now install the final top nut and tighten all three to the manufacturer's specifications. Put the plastic bracket back into place. Prior to inserting the existing airline, remove and discard the OE airline fitting. Inspect the line for scratches or deep cuts as they can cause leaks. Then, remove the shipping pin and insert the airline directly into the new airline fitting until it stops. Gently pull on the airline to confirm it is fully secure. Connect the strut's electrical connector. Next, ensure all hardware is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications and reinstall the wheel. Finally, inflate the air suspension system according to the manufacturer's instructions. Your new Arnott part is now properly installed. That wraps up the installation of Arnott part number AS-4411, the front air strut for Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC GMT1xx SUVs. Eddie, how's everything looking?
Everything's looking great. Front end's already been torqued down to specification and you're good to go.
Perfect. With the system fully verified, this SUV is ready to get back on the road. For more air suspension training, sign up for Arnott's Air Suspension Academy. It's built to help technicians stay confident in the bay. Thanks for watching the Arnott Install Series. We'll see you on the next one.